How to fix camera mirror or inverted video call in WhatsApp. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. First things first, go ahead and make sure that the WhatsApp application is updated. So open App Store and tap on the search bar and search for WhatsApp and make sure the WhatsApp application is updated to its latest version, and if not, then go ahead and update the app. See if that helps in fixing your issue, and if not, then open settings on your device and tap on general and then on iPhone storage. Here, navigate to WhatsApp and tap on it, and then go ahead and offload the app and reinstall the app again, as doing this will clear all the cache in the application and might help in fixing camera issues. The next fix for this issue is go back to settings and scroll down and tap on the apps option. Here, scroll down again and navigate to WhatsApp and tap on it, and further, make sure the camera and microphone toggle buttons are enabled. You can then go ahead and refresh the toggle buttons for camera, as doing this will refresh all the camera settings in WhatsApp. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix mirror or inverted video call in WhatsApp. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.